Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. Hey, today we're featuring one for the construction and landscaping and commercial guys. 2019 F-450 with Rugby 11-foot dump box with fold down size. It's a diesel. You can hear it chugging away. We're going to do a quick walk around on this 54,000 miles. The things, and we'll look inside the bed, the thing's like it's never been used. It was an owner's truck that kind of was his daily driver, and I don't know when he ever put it to work because it is that clean, but it can go to work for you. So let's do a quick walk around. And here we are getting up close and personal with this 2019 F-450 with dump box. It's got the chrome polished aluminum 19.5-inch wheels, running boards. It's got the big 6.7 turbo diesel. We'll take a look at that later. F-450. Got the keyless entry pad. Never had to carry keys. I love those. Does have the utility switches if you want to add other goodies. It does have Sirius radio. You just need to subscribe. Got the controls there, locking rear axle. It's got the carpet delete, so that's kind of nice. And we're going to show off this controller here a little bit later. Continuing on, we got the big polished aluminum dualies. It's just gorgeous. And here's what we're talking about. Look at this bed. It's really hardly been used. Of course, you got the headache rack. I mean, it's in really good shape. So cool. Work around the rustway here. Of course, we've got the trailer hookup, running lights, Rugby 11-foot dump box. We'll show the operation here in a second, but just look how clean this truck is. Those duals just stand out. Frame and everything is in really good shape. We'll have more photos on the website, of course, you can check out. We just got this in, so probably not seeing much on the website. Yeah. And there it's got the clearance lights too. So let's check out under the hood. And here's where all the magic happens. This is the 6.7 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel, 450 horsepower, 935 pounds of torque. Just listen to her chug. Here we are showing off the operation of the dump box. It's electric over hydraulic. Kind of a big Tonka toy for me. But this thing's ready to go to work for you. I think you could even run it in a few parades with the polished aluminum wheels and stuff too. So show off your business every day going down the road. Stand clear while operating. Well, that was fun. Today we feature that 2019 F-450 Super Duty with Rugby 11-foot dump box. Great truck, very clean. It's ready to go to work for you for $59,995. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com with that 2019 F-450. Check it out.